isn't obvious by now, Rob and I went campervanning in Iceland back in September 2021. We didn't really prepare any itinerary, we just know that we would travel the ring road. Little did we know that we will be obsessed with hot pools and springs. So yes, this episode is yet again about our experience of a geothermal pool. This time, the so-called Blue Lagoon of the North, the Mývatn Nature Baths. But before we get into that, I want to take you back to that time our obsession with hot pools started.
We are going to try that jacuzzi today. A hot tub we'll try today. Because we are weirdos, I guess. Ooh, it's dark. Baby? Is it dark here as well?
Yeah, there's no lights. They don't work. It's warm, not hot.
Just like this. Oh, it's not warm. Okay, we can't really use the jacuzzi because it's not hot, it's just warm. They have problems with the electricity and the workman will only come in 1.5 hours, so we'll just try it tomorrow. But we'll see. Good morning. So we are going to try the hot tub today. Let's see if we have luck early in the morning. Hello, so we are in the warm tub, which is actually cold under. Yeah, we have just been wanting to go to a hot tub for so long, so we're just doing it, even though this is just warm. The moment this will do. I don't really want to wet my hairs. Just like this for you 5-10 minutes more. Going to the hot baths, natural nature. That's where we're going. And we're here. There's so many cars. And the bus, no. I think most of them we've seen before, isn't it? Eggy smell. This looks warm. Hi.
Hello. Hello. Entry for 2 people, please. Do you have your own towel and benches?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep, great. Do you want something to drink inside? Yeah, I think so. What options are there? So we have some non-alcoholic drinks like soda and a non-alcoholic beer. Then we have some seltzers and cocktails in cans and some wine.
Non-alcoholic for me, please.
Energy drinks are made from fish.
Oh, are they good?
Yeah, they're okay.
Okay, I'll try them.
But we also have sparkling water here.
I think I'll try that's collagen, right?
Yeah, collagen.
Yeah, we've been seeing it in the supermarket, but we don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try that.
Do we need change for the lockers, or is that included? I give you change. Okay, cool.
it's hotter. That's why more people are here. Let's get the drinks. I'll just hold it in my hand. Hi. Show your thingy. Oh my god, it's cold.
Yeah, it is. One beer plus soda, fruit and lime, and raspberry and apricot.
Oh, that's hard. That's very nice. Thank you.
Which beer would you like?
A lager?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
And there you go.
Lovely.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
And enjoy.
Cheers. Oh, that's nice. Hi, so we are at the Mývatn Nature Baths. It's somewhere in the north.
It is around 480 kilometers away from Reykjavik if you will take the ring road clockwise. We did the ring road counterclockwise and it was approximately 950 kilometers away.
Water here is 39 degrees. There are hotter tubs there which are 41 degrees. And you could order drinks as well in the bar.
To its distance from Reykjavik, only travelers who would venture out from the Golden Circle will tend to come here. It is less popular to the long weekender tourists. However, Mývatn is part of the Diamond Circle. That being said, it could get busy and prior booking is recommended. Mývatn Nature Baths is often called the Blue Lagoon of the North because of the pool's turquoise blue color due to minerals, algae, silica, and alkaline. These components are said to be good for the skin, but not for your hair or brass and silver jewelry. The lagoon is man-made but filled up by completely natural water. Due to the water chemical composition, undesired bacteria and vegetation simply do not survive and disinfectant is unnecessary.
My eyes don't look very good. Maybe go into the water here and spin, but be very careful so that they don't fall. Okay, you ready?
The water contains sulfur that gives off the eggy smell. At first you'd notice it to be strong, but eventually you will get used to it. Sulfur is considered to have positive effects on respiratory and skin diseases.
Slow down. Slow down.
You're so funny.
I don't want it to be on the ground.
It's gonna be cold this way.
Mývatn Nature Baths also has sulfur-free steam baths built straight on top of a geothermal area with a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius and humidity of 100 degrees.
This is the Mývatn Nature and Baths restaurant. Ooh, looks pretty epic. These are fruits, salmon, chocolate muffin with caramel nuts, triple chocolate muffin, donut with something. There's cinnamon rolls, drinks. Here's the same salmon thingy, some salad, chocolates, ice creams, soup for $13. Soup and salad is $20. Wine is $12. Oh, there's the coffee, hot chocolate, triple chocolate muffin, cinnamon bun roll, cafe latte, water, husband, view.
Truly relaxing with positive effects, Mývatn Nature Baths is truly a gem of the north. If you're coming to Iceland, make sure to make time to visit this incredible place. As always, thank you for watching, and I'm leaving you with this beautiful drone footage.